Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today you're going to be learning crochet with me. The goal of creating this series is to help you understand crochet basics and to help you confidently pick up beginner friendly projects like washcloth or scarves. This is also a refresher to keep your foundation solid if you're already familiar with crochet. In this video, you'll be learning which yarn and hook size to use, how to hold your yarn and hook, slip knot, and chain stitches. In this entire series, you'll also be looking at some of other basic crochet stitches, but that is upcoming. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First thing you'll be needing to get started is your yarn. There are different types of yarn you can use. One is acrylic, which is popular, and I'll be using that for today's class. Another one is cotton, which is 100% cotton. You can also use it, or you can use wool yarn as well. There are different weights of yarn like fine yarn, which is really thinner, and medium yarn and bulky yarn as well. For today, I'll be using beginner friendly 4-weighted yarn. This is a medium sized yarn and works well for your projects. You can also look for hook size recommendation in the yarn label. Mine is saying 5mm, but I'm gonna go smaller and use a 3.5mm hook, since this makes my stitches smaller and cleaner. This is also a beginner friendly hook and you can use it for your beginner friendly projects. Along with yarn and hook, you'll be needing a needle with a large eye. This is just to weave in your ends. You'll also be needing a pair of scissors. So now you are good to get started. Grab your yarn, your hook, and let's get to it. First, you need to unravel your yarn. You can unravel a bit and then you can start pulling from the center just like this. You'll be learning how to make a slip knot. What I usually do is I would make a larger loop just like this one right here, and then towards the end you'll be making another smaller loop just like this. Now insert your smaller loop into the larger loop and pull the end of the larger loop tighter just like that. Now you have made yourself a slip knot, and the smaller part of the tail end should be facing towards yourself. Now we are going to insert our hook into the slip knot and pull the tail end to make the loop tighter. Not too tight so you can't work into it, just a little bit tighter so you can work into the loop. Now let's see how to hold your hook. There are two types of holding your hook. The first is the knife hold, which is holding it like a knife. I prefer to use this method. The another one is the pencil hold, which is holding it like a pencil. Experiment to see which one you are comfortable with, as it differs from person to person. Now let's learn how to hold the yarn. The first method is to wrap the yarn around your pinky finger. Just wrap it and then bring the yarn on top of other fingers and hold it just like this. Using your middle finger and thumb finger, you will be holding the free end, and using your index finger, you will be giving tension and working. What I have learned is to hold the end of the yarn using my pinky finger and hold the tail end using the middle and thumb finger, and I'll be working like this. You can see which one feels natural and comfortable to you and go from there. Now let's make a chain stitch. Once you comfortably hold your yarn and the hook, wrap the yarn around the hook from the back of the hook to the front. This is called yarn over. We'll wrap the yarn around the hook just like this from the back to the front, and then you will turn the hook to face towards you just a little bit so that it faces towards you. And now you're gonna slide the hook slowly into the loop and take it out. This is how you make your foundational chain stitch. You'll have another loop here and you'll practice the same way. Wrap the yarn, pull, take it out. Wrap the yarn around your hook, pull through the loop, take it out. Wrap, pull, take it out. This is how your foundational chain stitches will look like, and I'll show you in a closer view of how it looks. The stitches will look like V. You're seeing a V here, right? That is one stitch. I have made 4 stitches here, and in the back side it will look like this. Just one loop on top of each V. So this is how you make your foundational chain stitches. This is very important as it is the first and foremost thing that you'll learn in crochet. Keep practicing until you get comfortable with these stitches. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more learning videos. Bye.